In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these running boards on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Underneath on the back side, we're going to take these plugs off. There's one right there. I'm just using a pick. You could use a straight blade screwdriver. In the center, and one more in the front. We're going to take these J nuts and slide these over the hole right there. It clips on there, that looks good. Now we're going to take this bracket, line this up, take a bolt with a washer, get that started. And down below, there is a hole right there. I'm going to go through there with a bolt and a washer. Then you're going to take a nut, put the nut on top. And you don't want to tighten these up, you want these just loose so they can move around. We're going to do the same on the other three. I take the running board and just slide it in place over those brackets. Underneath, we can see where these bolts are and they're attached to nuts. You may have to loosen these up a little bit. And then you want to get them close to all the brackets where they need to go. And the back too. What we're going to do is take the bolt out one at a time. Then we're going to slide this little nut over. You might need a pick just to line this up. Get that lined up and get the bolt threaded through there. Once that's threaded, just move on to the next one. You don't want to tighten it down yet. Let them all started first. So you might have to adjust the brackets. That's good. And I'll do the same on the other ones. Now all the bolts are in, we're going to go back and tighten up all the brackets first, and then we'll tighten up the bolts down below. Using a 12mm socket and a 12mm wrench, snug these up first. Just so they're snug, just making sure this looks good up top, and then we'll snug those down. Go back and just tighten these up a little more. And do the same on the other ones. Those are all tight now. Make sure this is set the way you want it. can move it forward a little bit or back a little bit, and we'll tighten these up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.